one of just 11 registry-listed 1971 GS Stage 1 Zone Demonstrator convertibles. This Buick was a rare classic straight from the factory. Add in a detailed ground-up restoration that wraps correct Cortez gold around a choice drivetrain, and you realize this storied drop top is an excellent opportunity to score some exclusive Detroit muscle. Zone Demo GS cars were unique in two ways. For starters, they all sported Buick's new for 1971 Cortez gold paint between white convertible tops and snazzy pearl interiors. And secondly, they were pretty much fully optioned rigs. Delivered to the Buick Zone office in Jacksonville, Florida in August of 1970, this GS is one of roughly 25 Zone Demo convertibles produced for the 71 model year. And its current condition comes courtesy of a comprehensive body-off restoration that features optional sport mirrors and bumper-piercing exhaust. Peer inside and you'll find a correct pearl cockpit that's loaded with options. Comfortable bench seats with optional power operation for the front passengers complement stylish door panels. A straight dash hangs restored rally gauges above factory air conditioning, Mallory accessory gauges, and a vintage AM/FM radio. And the driver pushes a clean Buick rally wheel around factory cruise control and a tilting column. Under the hood is a healthy 455 cubic inch V8 that provides massive thrust and a throaty exhaust note. That power flows through a trusty 700 R4 4-speed auto back to a 10-bolt rear axle. Featuring a unique story and a great restoration that wraps factory-correct aesthetics around a road-ready powertrain. This exclusive Buick is sure to find a lot of fans. For more information, call, click, or visit arkmotors.com.